What do you guys have there? Huh? Hey Daisy. Hey Bear. Hey Chiefy. Hey Nike. How are you guys doing? Is this some raw steak? Hold on. We're gonna be trying some raw steak today. So we have the whole gang together. Hey buddy, hey. All right, who's first? I think the king of the clan, Chiefy, will be first. Chief? Daisy? Nike? Good boy. Bear? Look at that, you guys are being so patient. Oh, good job. Chiefy, sit. There you go. Good boy. Daisy? Good girl. Nike? Catch. Good boy. Bear? Catch. That's not your name. Chiefy. Get down. Sit. Good boy. There you go. There you go. Be patient. Oh, you stinker. Nike. No. Good boy. Thank you. Bear. Chiefy. Nike, because you try to steal it, I'm giving you the small piece. Daisy. Catch. All right, everybody. Well, here's your plate. Lick it clean. How was that, huh? Little lunch snack. Huh? Was that wonderful? Was that wonderful? By the way, Lucy's doing great. Yeah. Oh, Lucy's doing great. Looking for more? Chubster. You're a little chubster, huh, Chiefy? Alright, well, that wraps up our little meat review. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Looks like you're all pretty stoked. Maybe we'll play some tennis or some fetch or maybe some volleyball. You want to play some volleyball, Chief? Yeah, I didn't think so. Alright, everybody. Well, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.